efficient and secure content processing and distribution using intermediaries. This project goes like the introduction. Content services such as content filtering and transporting adapt contents to meet system requirements, display capacities, or user preferences. Data security in such a framework is an important problem and crucial for many web applications. In this paper, we propose an approach that addresses data integrity and confidentiality in content adaptation and catching the intermediates. Our approach permits multiple intermediaries to simultaneously perform content services on different portions of the data. Our protocol supports decentralized proxy and key management and flexible delegation of services. Our experimental results show that our approach is efficient and minimizing the amount of data transmitted across the network. And the introduction is with the emergence of various network appliances and a heterogeneous client environment, there are other relevant new requirements for content services by intermediates. For example, content may be transformed to satisfy the requirements of a client's security policy, device capabilities, preferences, and so forth. Therefore, several content services have been identified that included but are not limited to content transport, in which data is transformed from one format into another, data filtering, and value added services such as watermarking. Other relevant services are related to personalization, according to which special purpose proxies can tailor the contents based on user preferences, current activities, and past access history. Many studies have been carried out on intermediary content services. However, the problem of data security in these settings has not got much attention. Confidentiality and integrity are two main security properties that must be ensured for data services. Several distributed cooperative application domains, such as collaborative e-commerce, distance learning, telemedicine, and e-government. Confidentiality means that data can only be accessed under the proper authorizations. Integrity means that data can only be modified by authorized subjects. The approaches developed for securely transferring data from a server to clients are not suitable when data is not to be transferred by intermediaries. When a proxy mediates data transmission, if the data is encrypted during transmission, security is ensured. However, it is possible for intermediaries to modify the data. On the other hand, when the intermediates are allowed to modify data, it is difficult to enforce security.